Today we're going to replace the outer tie rod of this vehicle. Here's the genuine replacement part. Take note of the parts code for your reference. This is how the new one looks like. Genuine parts always comes with this small tube protector. Put it side by side and make sure it matches. Grab two adjustable wrenches, one for the lock nut and the other one to contradict the movement in order for you to loosen the nut. Hit it with a hammer to loosen it. Do it in a clockwise motion. Once you loosen the nut, tighten it a bit and make a mark on the thread or at the end of the nut. Use irregular pliers and a long nose to remove the cotter pin. Grab a 17mm socket and a breaker bar. Loosen the nut. Don't remove it, just leave it there. Grab a hammer and hit the hub. This will loosen the tie rod. Actually, the proper way to do this is to use a separator tool. If you don't have that special tool, this should suffice for now. Remove the nut and separate the outer tie rod from the hub. Make sure the nut is intact while you loosen the outer tie rod. See how loose the joint of this outer tie rod. This is the new one, and I could slightly move it. This step is optional. I put grease on the threads to prevent any rust buildup. Install the new outer tie rod. It is normal that the new outer tie rod will not match the previous adjustment of the old outer tie rod. Therefore, you have to adjust it a little bit to make it fit. After this job, it is important to take your vehicle into a suspension alignment center to correct your steering adjustments. Clean the mounting point of the outer tie rod. Here's another optional process, same as what I did earlier. Put on the new fastener. Tighten it snug. Make sure to put the cotter pin. This prevents the fastener from loosening caused by vibration. Tighten the lock nut. And there we have successfully replaced an outer tie rod. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.